This video actually was inspired by Asashair. They sent me this wig. It also comes with this little brush here. So let's get started. Okay, so I put some earrings on. Honestly, this is the first time I am going to wear a wig, so I'm sorry. Just gonna learn with you guys here. So this is how it looks. She's so pretty. It's got some ombre hairstyle situation. We've got bangs, and it's more like a bob, type of bob hairstyle. This is really super tight. Oh gosh. Honestly, I feel like rubbing it like this. Look like I basically got bangs.